Welcome to the next video in Abstract Linear Algebra. This is video 4 on exercise 1.A.10. So that's the exercise number 10 from section 1A. The exercise is a nice compact little statement. So if we have what is effectively a vector, but for now we should probably call it a list. So a list of length 4 of real numbers. So that's what x is. And it satisfies this equation, and we're going to solve for x. So the main idea behind the solution is that both sides of this equation are lists of length 4. Now, the left-hand side may not immediately look like a list of length 4, but it really is. Let's expand that out. To begin with, we have to write x as a list of 4 things. So let's go ahead and say that x is equal to, and I'm going to arbitrarily pick give names A, B, C, D to the 4 components of x, and then we can rewrite the equation. And from here, the natural next step is to take our vectors or lists on the left-hand side and do our list operations. So I'll distribute 2 into that vector. And then once I'm done with that, I will add my 2 lists together. And the result is going to be this equation. And from here, after having, really seen that these are just some 2 lists of 4 elements, then we just get 4 equations. I need 4 plus 2a to equal 5, right? I will then need -3 plus 2b to equal 9, and so on. And so I just get a system of equations. So this first equation I can solve easily. I subtract the 4, so I get 1, divide by 2, so I get a half. A is equal to a half. So I write down my next equation, -3 plus 2b, is equal to 9. Add the 3, get 12, divide by 2, get 6. If we continue likewise, then -6 minus 1 divide by 2, so you get -7 over 2, and then d is 1/2. And now we know all the components of x. So the first component is a, and that's a half. The second component is 6, -7 over 2, 1/2, and there's the solution. If you appreciated this content, please like and subscribe. And if there's anything that we discussed here where you'd like to see it elaborated further, I might be able to answer questions in the comments, or for substantial topics, I might make an entire video and add it to the playlist.